you can make money off the upcoming US election. In this video, I'll share with you top 5 election meme coins you must never miss if you want to make money. Okay, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, support my work by subscribing, like, and share, and let's get started. Okay, so here here is a category on the coin gecko that talk about politified coins. Politified coins are coins created based on politics, memes based on politics narrative. Okay, so I'll be selecting top 5 of these coins that I think will be bullish about. I'm bullish about them based on the research I have made regarding this project, and I'll be showing you what they are. So the first is MAGA, and the ticker is Trump. Okay, so currently you can see that MAGA rose to 15, okay, about $17 per coin. This is a meme coin, guys, and investing meme coin is risky, so invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so it rose. The all-time high was about $17 per coin. Okay, and the current market cap is 244 million. And obviously, what I think about this project is that this project, MAGA, Make America Great, or Trump, has the potential to be the first election meme coins to reach $1 billion. Okay, so you have to watch it. Then to buy this, okay, look at it. It is listed on, it is created on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so that means you can buy it through Uniswap. And I think this Ethereum chain, you can also buy it through Ethereum. So let's look at other exchanges or centralized exchanges. You can buy it you can buy it from Mexi, you can buy it from Uniswap, like I said, you can buy it from PancakeSwap, you can buy it from, just look at these exchanges and buy it from the one that you are comfortable with. Okay, so the second is Kamala Harris. Now, you understand the election battle is between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. And okay, definitely Donald Trump, okay, may definitely have the upper hand, but who knows? Nobody can predict the future. Nobody can accurately predict the future. So because of that, the crypto is making a bet on Kamala Harris, and we believe that she has a chance of pulling weight in the election. And the ticker is Karma. Okay, and let's look at the price action. Okay, the market cap for this project, it's reached up close to 25 million, and currently it's around $17 million market cap. This is still very low, and I believe this can go as high as 200 million market cap or 150 million market cap before the election. Okay, so what will happen in the election? So you can see that it's already listed on many exchanges like HTX, like L-Bank. So you can also buy from Radium. It is created on the Solana chain. Okay, so what do I think will happen during the election? During the election, there will be a lot of hype around election meme coins, and because of that, they will shoot up in price. Okay, so the next one is Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a project that has been there, and I'm thinking, and the ticker is Trump. So I'm thinking that the price action for Donald Trump will be very, very bullish as the election approaches. And okay, as the election approaches, now look at the price action. Okay, it's spiked to around 35 million. Okay, let's look at this 35 million. So the current market cap is $34 million. Now you can buy it from Jupiter Exchange. Now these are other exchanges you can buy from HTX, Mexi, and you can buy from Radium too. Okay, so these are the meme coins that you must hold if you want to make money. So the first one is MAGA, second one is Kamala Harris, the third one is Trump. The next one is Fight to MAGA. So Fight to Make America Great, and the ticker is Fight. Okay, and you understand the narrative or the story behind this Fight to MAGA. In fact, when you look at it from on Dex 2, you see that the logo, when Donald Trump narrowly escaped assassination bullet, narrowly escaped the assassinator bullet, and he raised up his hands to shout, "Fight, fight, fight!" So this is a video about it, and because of that, this particular coin, Fight to Maga, is created just for that narrative, just for that bold and courageous action displayed by Donald Trump, by Trump. And as the election approaches, this project will likely be one of the leaders, may likely be one of the leaders. So it's created on the Ethereum chain, and as such, you can buy it from Uniswap, and there are other places you can buy it from. You can buy it from these exchanges, Gate.io. So just check and know the exchanges that you are comfortable with, and use any of such exchanges. Okay, now you can see that the market cap is very, very low, and the all-time market cap is around $45 million. Okay, and it's currently around $5 million. So this has massive potential. Probably it could reach $100 million as the election approaches. So the last meme coin, election meme coin that you must pay attention to me, this is one of the, or it's my second most bullish election meme coin, and it is Tuka. The ticker is Tuka. Okay, now this is a meme coin that cover and report election narrative or election events. So whatever that is happening in the election space, okay, and the crypto space. So Tuka capture, okay, report them accurately, report them with memes. Okay, so now when you go on Twitter, you see a lot of Tuka's video, okay, a lot of Tuka reporting video, investigative video, and these video are very good, accurate, and it has a lot of viewers. Okay, and they're also in partnership with Banter, with Crypto Banter Run. I believe this project is going to be very, very bullish, and they are burning their token as, for every sponsor ad, they use the proceeds to buy and burn Tuka. So the ticker is Tuka. Now look at where can you buy it from? You can buy it. It's listed on, this is a Solana chain meme coin. So that means you can buy from Jupiter Exchange, you can buy from Radium, you can buy from any of these exchanges. Just look at the one, look at them, and know the one that you are comfortable with. Now you can see that the market cap, let's look at the all-time market cap for this. The all-time market cap was around $78 million, and currently it's sitting at around $17 million. So this is no brainer. I've been holding these meme coins since, I think, from a very high level, and I'm still holding. So you can consider buying any of these projects, or you can create a portfolio and name it election portfolio. Have this meme coins. Just buy them, okay, and keep it until, as the election approaches, you can take profit and hold on to the moon bag. All right. So like I said, if you want to support my work and you find this video very helpful and informative, kindly click on the subscription button and subscribe, comment, and share with your community too. Okay, on this channel, there's on this at the top of this video, there's a link to a video on the top meme coins that you must hold. Check it and you'll find it very, very helpful. Also, CoinDollar, one of the things that CoinDollar does is that we help people to make money in crypto. To join our community, check the description section. You'll find links to our WhatsApp, Telegram community.